Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maddie. Today we're going to be going over cleaning the most important tool in anybody's workshop, the coffee maker. A few years ago for our warehouse, we picked up a Bonavita Connoisseur offering best-in-class coffee quality at a good value. This is a slightly older model where the basket is actually sitting on top of our carafe. Makes a nice pot of coffee. Newer models have the basket built into the machine itself and the carafe just pulls out. But we're still very happy with this machine after a couple of years of regular use. Number one part of the machine that's going to get really dirty is the carafe. Now it's a bit tough to get in there with a brush, so despite us using it 4 times a day, it is going to get gunky over time. So we're going to clean it. For the cleaning process today, we're going to be using something called OxiClean. Now, some of you at home may be used to using this in your laundry, but you may notice here it's for household and laundry use. One of the household uses is going to be cleaning things made of metal. As far as I know, you're not really supposed to use it on aluminum, but most coffee carafes are going to be stainless steel. All right, we're just going to pour a small amount directly into our coffee carafe, and then we're going to fill the carafe with boiling water. All the way to the top. This step is best done in a sink or a tub of some kind. There'll be less mess to clean up at the end. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes and we'll notice that the foam is starting to form and covered in dirty coffee carafe material. All right, after about 2 or 3 minutes, we're now ready to rinse out the carafe. We'll want to be a little careful as the water will still be hot. So our carafe is perfectly clean now. You can clean the other parts of your coffee maker, like the basket and the lid to the carafe, with the same method, just putting it into a bucket with some OxiClean and hot water and letting it sit in there. You know what we say at Full Cycle is your carafe should be as clean as your cup. And I think we accomplished that today. Clean.
Hey, where can I get one of those mugs?
Oh, fullcycle.ca or in store, but the link's in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.